So Feedwhack helps me to write feedback for assignments where there's lots of individuals or groups who are doing the same assignment using the same marking criteria, and so often I give similar or the same feedback to different individuals or different groups. and so because I use different places this feedback needs to go, is it like a virtual learning environment like Blackboard, or I don't know, emails or whatever, I create this feedback in a text editor first, because that's where I'm comfortable, in Markdown, and then once I've got it in Markdown in a text editor, then I can take it anywhere else, export it to HTML or rich text format or whatever. And so Feedwhack is a plugin that will let me to do this. So benefit one is zero configuration. So I'm creating a new assignment. All I would need to do is to probably need it in Markdown format first. Oops. But then I'm often running, let's say, in group one, and then the first category is, I don't know, presentation. Second marking criteria is, I don't know, output or something, whatever. Then I can just start writing great work, blah blah blah. And so once I start writing group 2's feedback, I can just, and then with a keyboard shortcut, that will bring me up all of the options I've used for this category presentation before. So let's say I said great work there, and work harder next time, and but still good or whatever. Down here in group 2, I can open that, and then I can filter on the word, what was it, work. If I just say work, it'll filter on those, and choose that. Got that. And so then if I go to an assignment which I've completed 20 odd groups worth of work, then once I'm in there, I get a really rich list of possible bits of feedback that are ordered in order of how often I've used them. So this alt text was readable, I've used several times, so I might just stick that straight in. Or then I might want to say something about slides, so I can say slides, and there they are, ordered in how often I've used them. So the slides reflected, I don't know, consistent slides, there we go. And then if I want to, I can then take that and have a look at that, I don't know, save it as HTML, rich text format, whatever. So, and then I can copy and paste that out into Word or whatever. A couple more things it does. Recognizing that some feedback should be quite specific to an individual or an individual group, and so we don't want to be sharing that. And so it'll do things like if let's say here I said e.g. the work was good in this area. Go down to here. It's not going to offer me that as a suggestion because it recognizes that e.g. is almost like a keyword, so that it doesn't it's specific to the group. And if you wanted to, you can kind of configure what your keywords are. So potentially you could use a symbol like a hash for a comment or whatever, and then those would never be included in the options. And then you can write scripts or whatever, or to automatically filter those things, filter those symbols out when we export it. So there you go. I wouldn't write feedback any other way because it's so much quicker and more pleasant, and it means I can write good feedback with not quite as much effort.